If your furnace uses an integrated circuit board, safety switch troubleshooting still follows the same basic principles, but the diagnostic flow can differ. Start by treating safety switches as part of the external control loop and test voltage across each switch while the system is powered and in the expected state. Use a reliable multimeter set to the appropriate voltage range and confirm power at incoming terminals first so you do not chase phantom failures. Verify continuity on normally closed switches and confirm they open when tripped by manually actuating them. Then measure the control voltage that proceeds to the integrated circuit board to ensure the board is actually receiving the expected signal. Follow the system-specific troubleshooting tree provided by the equipment manufacturer because integrated boards may perform internal logic checks and report errors differently than older relay-based systems. If you encounter intermittent faults, isolate wiring by disconnecting the external safety chain and simulating closed switch conditions with a jumper while observing board behavior, but only do this briefly and with power off when making or removing jumpers to avoid shorts. Document each measurement and state change so you can backtrack through the sequence and provide accurate information to technical support if needed. The most common mistake is assuming the integrated board is bad when a safety switch only needs cleaning or minor repair. So first verify all external switch voltages and mechanical operation before replacing modules. Another issue is misreading diagnostic lights or codes because boards sometimes use different blink sequences, so consult the specific manufacturer documentation and follow its flowchart rather than applying generic code tables. A third frequent problem is bypassing safety circuits permanently with jumpers or tape, which creates a hazard, so only use temporary simulated closures for testing and restore proper safety devices and connections before leaving the system energized. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by listing nearby professionals and letting users browse projects and reviews to find the right fit for system integration work. We also help contractors find leads and participate in our discussion community where we and other members share troubleshooting tips and real-world experiences.